Hello to everyone. So on the weeks that I really don't need food, I buy a little food for the stockpile. So I was over here walking, so I came to the Walmart and I decided to go with this milk for my stockpile. $2.98, you get 3 packages. I think that's a pretty good deal. The brownie mix is cheap. Brownie mix. How much is the brownie mix? The brownie mix is 88 cents. I bought some stewed tomatoes. Stewed tomatoes those are a really good thing to stockpile. Usually I buy 2, but this time I bought 1 can of tomatoes, 74 cents, and then the sauerkraut is 74 cents. That's a good thing to stockpile because one of my best dinners is hot dogs cooked in sauerkraut with mashed potatoes and spinach. The cheapest place you can buy cola is Walmart, 87 cents, 10 cents CRV, and I bought some lime jello. It's cheaper if you buy the big size. I think Walmart is about the cheapest. I think it was 87 cents. So if you make half a package, it's about 44 cents. So that's about as cheap as you can get. And this is one of my favorite kinds. I have some cottage cheese and some pineapple, so probably that's what I will make. Okay, you guys, stockpile a little food, little by little, is the best way to get the best food. And when I make the brownies, I'll probably make half a package. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.